Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this guy here. This is the Baliplus V3 Sapphire Kraken, which I've been really enjoying. And I think it's a stellar balisong. There's a little look down of it. I've been flipping it on and off the past little while whilst I've had it, and I have to say, if you're looking for a Kraken V3, I'm not sure if they're in stock at the moment, like the regular Kraken V3s. I know they did a run of the 2.5s, and I know the V3 did disappear for a little while. It might be back already, in which case it's probably cheaper. Just go for it if you like the Kraken. But personally, I've always had, my biggest problem was, one, it was boring to flip, and two, it's an aluminium balisong, right? I'm not a big fan of them. I think they're just really meh. They need something to sort of save it, and so I was like, you know what? Maybe the ceramic coating will make a difference. And you know what? It does make a difference. It's definitely a bit nicer feeling, like in the hand, than like the standard aluminium. Oh, I'm gonna have to wash that, man. Yeah, but it's a bit like a grippier feeling than your standard, and a bit more premium feeling than the standard finish to like the aluminium, the like the machine finished satin thing, like the finishing that they do on it. Sorry, it's a bit all over the place in my head, but it does also add a little bit of weight, so it does mean it's a slightly more handle bias Kraken. So I definitely think that the Tanto is the way to go if you prefer the more neutral feel. It's very slight to like the standard Kraken, like it's not so significant. I just remembered the regular Kraken very vividly. I've had quite a few of them in my time flipping balisongs on the internet. But overall, it's very well made. This one I did get from BBKS. Sadly, I think they are out of stock. I believe this was like the last one. They were on sale, so I was like, you know what, I might as well fork out the whatever it was. It was like some $60, $70 US equivalent. I was like, yeah, you know what, it's a solid balisong. I love the live blade. I just used it to open some letters, so it's a little bit dusty, full of paper particles, but it is a really nice coating. It does prevent against rust. However, you can get rust on the very edge, so whatever blade steel they're using is not like crazy corrosion resistant, which is fine, but it does mean you can like touch the blue bits and they are more or less fine, easy to kind of polish them out. I do love the look with the blued hardware, and you can tell it is heat anodized blue. It's not titanium. You can switch it over to titanium, reduce the pivot weight slightly. I think that's probably actually a good shout. But yeah, when it comes to availability, I believe it is available still on the Song, and I'm sure somewhere on AliExpress, and maybe one balisong, and all these other places. There's other places I believe that it's available, and it's probably the same as the regular V3 Kraken. So when it comes to aesthetics, it does look like the Squid Industries Kraken, so good job Lucas and co on designing it. I think it's a good design. I like the blue Zen pins, I like the blue screws, the blue blade, all of that stuff. It doesn't have any sort of fancy milling on the insides here, but it's a cool design. It's a cool design. It's a good looking balisong. Availability, maybe like a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. It's available in some places, but you might have to go looking. I believe these were a limited run, so just like the real deal, not necessarily a easy thing to acquire. Oh, the builder's doing some work over there. Now, when it comes to the sound, this isn't oiled. It is somewhat tuned. There's the play. I believe all I've done is swap the standard yellow washers for some phosphor bronze ones. They're not even brand new phosphor. Actually, no, they might have been brand new. Just for some phosphor bronze washers, and crank the hardware, and then here's your sound test. Sounds pretty good. I prefer it to the regular Kraken. It's a little bit, I don't want to say subdued, it's a little bit duller of a sound, which is quite nice. It's not as harsh, but still has that really good clack. I like the clack. I prefer that on this than the regular aluminium finish on the handles. It's also freezing cold. I'm just realising now, it's cold, man, it's cold. So apologies if my flips get a bit more and more rigid as time goes on. I'm starting to lose feeling in my fingers. But yeah, so sound-wise, I think it's a pretty good sounding balisong. I'll give it like a good 6, maybe a 7. It's not the best. I think most titanium balisongs sound better. But if you are a man who, or a woman, or a girl, or a boy, or whatever, if you are a person who likes a good clack and a good ice pick, I definitely think that you're going to enjoy the sound of this guy. Flipping wise, like I said before, it's a gentle handle bias, still very much able to fan. As you can see, it'll choker fan, it'll regular fan, reverse fan. Man, it'll even, if you have the dexterity for it, it'll even, oh, it's cold. It'll even Z choker, like without much problem. It does have some Kraken syndrome where it sort of does the flips for you. Very easy to aerial. However, I will say, speaking on Kraken syndrome, well, I shouldn't do that. Speaking on Kraken syndrome, it's actually slightly less than this regular one. I found the regular Tanto Kraken does more of the flipping for you than this, so it's a little bit less, I want to say automated, despite none of the flipping is automated, but like the balance is, I guess, like slightly less optimal. So perhaps putting in the titanium here would actually make a difference and make it sort of similar to the even, because I can't imagine this coating weighs more than like a gram or 2, maybe 3. But that is a big difference considering the standard Kraken weight, I believe, is 126. No clue about this. It's standard dimensions, standard hardware. You can swap this out for TrueLink stuff or other Baliplus stuff. I find the Baliplus hardware is now more than adequate enough for their clones. You can actually crank it down pretty hard, and you can always use the back as well to get some extra, rotational with the screwdriver motion. And overall, I think it's a pretty solid balisong. I think if you could only have one, this does definitely contend for like a one and done collection. If you don't want something that's too heavy, like some of the titanium stuff, if you want something that's easily modifiable in terms of, I'm sure there's, you can get re-blades and it'll fit the standard real Kraken parts and stuff like this. You can put this blade on real handles as well, if you manage to get them, or you can put these handles on real blades. I believe it's all compatible now. Maybe your handle gaps might suffer slightly, but otherwise, most of this stuff is like sort of translatable to the real deal. I think Baliplus have come a long way. The jimping works quite well. Chaplains are good, rollovers are good. It's a little running away in chaplains in the cold here. But otherwise, I actually think it is a very, very solid balisong. There's not really much bad to say about the Kraken. It's a good balisong. It's a little bit less boring than the regular Kraken clone, which I like. So does that make this a good balisong in my books? Maybe. It'll at least sit in my collection for a little bit, and that's for one of 2 reasons. One, it is a little bit less boring than the regular Kraken, and it's nice to have. It's the Kraken I feel does best in the context of a collection, where you have other things to compare it to. But the other hand is also, it just looks awesome, and it looks so different to anything else that I have. So I'm very happy with the kind of blue and white look. I think it's just cool as hell. So for that reason as well, it's going to be staying for a little while. I might end up selling it, possibly not, I'm not sure. But I love the blue blade, that's a unique thing. I would have loved a Naught in this kind of colourway, with the ceramic coated scales and blue blade and stuff. And stuff like that is really cool. So yeah, I'll probably be taking a look at the Armed Shark Nautilus next, as what I've been spending a lot of time with as well. That I've been really enjoying. And then the cold blade stuff I'll have to put on pause until I get the replacement one for the V2.5 proper look, because I can't really comment on what it's like, and that's the one that people are able to buy. So why comment on the old one? I mean, I will comment on the old one eventually, but more in like a comparison. So yeah, I really like this guy. I don't think there's anything really punching in the leagues around it. The V3 Kraken clone from Baliplus. I'll try to leave some links to it in the pinned comment down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, all of that good stuff. And catch you guys in the next one. Peace.